Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the unit 2 explanation video of this subject HRM, that is nothing about the HR planning and design. Okay, so by watching this video you will able to understand this total concept of the unit number 2, so that whatever the type of question they might be asking in the examination, you can easily attempt it. Okay, so the first question you are having, what is job analysis? This is one of the main important concept you are having in this unit number 2. Job analysis is nothing about the gathering or collecting information. Okay, gathering or collecting information related to a specific job. Okay, for example, here you have got any job opportunity. What you will do, whatever the activities of information you are having, everything you will collect and you will do the analysis. No, what is the best thing you are having in that, what is the worst thing you are having, whether it is convenient for you or not. These are all things, whatever you are doing is called analysis about what you are doing, job you are doing. That is nothing about the job analysis. What are the objectives of this job analysis? Means first one is to simplify the work. What is the work, when we need to do the work, what we need to do the work. That is nothing about the simplifying the work. Next one, performance standards. By today I need to complete this, by this month I need to complete this, by this year my sales should turn over by 5 crores. That is like performance standards. You are keeping some performance standards. Okay, next one, support other personal activities also, it will be useful. Okay, and what are the components of this? Means job description you will see, and job specialization also you will see. For example, if you are going for an interview, what you will do first, what is the JD you will see? No, job description. What are the timings of that, what is the salary they are offering, what is the location of the job, what is the qualification eligibility we are having. These are all things, whatever you are doing is nothing about the job description. And job specification is nothing about the only for the specified levels of the people. They will clearly mention only PG students are eligible for this job, only 25 years of old age of people are eligible for this job. There is nothing about the job specialization. Specifically they are mentioning certain things. Got it? And what are the steps involved in this traditional job analysis? Means there are total 5 steps. First, what you will do, they will collect the background information and they will select the position and they will give the job analysis data, job description and later job specifications. These are the 5 steps you are having, 5 process you are having in the traditional job analysis. Got it? And next you are having methods of traditional job analysis. What are the various methods you are having? Right now we know that observation method will be one of the main thing we are having in the workspace. Interview method, when you are applying for a job, they will call for an interview. Why they will call for an interview? To see your ability, how your appearance is, how the way you are talking is. Yes or no? So observation method, interview method and diary method, critical incident method, technical conference method, checklist. These are all different types of things you are having for the various methods of job analysis. Okay, checklist is nothing about they will give certain questions, either you need to keep yes or no. Do you satisfy with this job? Yes or no, any one thing. So that is nothing about the checklist. Based on that answers, they will analyze your specifications, they will analyze your ability also. Next one, diary method is nothing about the employee should maintain a diary regarding the activities whatever they are doing in the organization. That is nothing about the diary method. Next one, CIM, critical incident method, is nothing about the whatever the data your people are gathering. Okay, to take the decisions, to take certain decision in the organization, they need to gather some data related to that incident. That is nothing about the critical incident method. Okay, so these are the various things. As you can having only 8 marks each, 5 to 6 points is more than enough points. Okay, so next you are having benefits and like that is nothing about the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is nothing about the employment opportunities we will have, training and development we will give it for the employees, career counseling, yes, career planning. These are all advantages only. What are the disadvantages? The limited scope, only with the limited people only we can work out this Yes, lack of training also, total lack of top management support may not be there for the people. Yes, so these are all the disadvantages. In general also you can write it. There is nothing that you need to by heart these questions only. You need to understand the questions, you need to elaborate your answer by your own. By your own also you can keep your side headings in the examination. Nobody will stop you, nobody will give a negative marking to you. It is not at all there that you need to by heart this methods only, this questions only, this answers only. There is nothing like that. Okay, so that is the thing. And next you are having all these PDFs are there in the Telegram group. Okay, don't confuse again. Next one, job redesign. Job redesign is nothing about the changing the process of the job. You are redesigning your job. Yes, you are redesigning the job. Okay, to improve the quality of work. To improve your work, you are redesigning your job only. No, if you are following one step, success is not coming. What you will do, you will change your pattern. Yes, that is nothing about the job redesign. Yes, step number one, steps is not important, it is not much repeated. Next one, job evaluation is nothing about the comparing the demands, comparing the performance, which makes the ability of the workers confirmed. That is nothing about the job evaluation. Okay, it is the process of analysis and assessment of job to rely the negative worth using the balanced wage structure to decrease the disadvantages, to decrease the risk. Whatever the things you are optimizing is called job evaluation. Got it? So this is also one of the important job evaluation methods. You are having ranking method, grading method, point rating. You are ranking it. Employee 1 to 10 employees are there. Employee 1 got first rank, second rank, third rank. Whoever is the least, they are the least performers. Like that. Next, grading: A grade, B grade, O grade, Z grade, like that. Okay, next one, point rating. You got 1 point, you got 10 points, you got 20 points, like that. Means you are evaluating the performance of the employee throughout the various methods. So total 3 methods you are having. So you need to elaborate that 3 methods by your own. Okay, so that is also one of the main important. Next one is most important, is performance appraisal methods. Performance appraisal methods are consisting of 3 things: absolute standard approach, relative standard approach, and outcome approach. In absolute standard approach, you are having critical incident. I have said just now, based on certain incident, you are taking the decisions based on the information. Next one, checklist. Checklist also I have said, no, yes or no questions only. Next one, graphical rating scale. Just you are making a graph of the performance of the employee. Next, behavior anchored. How the behavior of the person will affect their job role also. Yes, like that you are having in this at least 5 to 6 is more than enough. No need to write all these points in the examination, time will not be sufficient. It is consisting of 3 things. In that 3 things, any 5 to 6 points will be more than enough. Okay, so that is the most important answer, ma. And HR planning. HR planning is nothing about the how human resource. In every organization there will be a separate department for HR. HR department will be separated. What they will do, they will set the goals of the organization. This month you need to finish this. This month your target is this. Who will set all these planning things? HR only, no. So that is the main concept you are having in that. So legal control they will have. They will have the organizational changes. They will change the demographic changes also. All these things comes under this only. Okay, so this is important. And process of selection is repeated question. Okay, selection is nothing about the selecting the candidate for the separate job role. If you are going for an interview, they will select you for the particular role. to select that for the particular role, what are the abilities you need to qualify that is important. That is called selection. So preliminary interview they will take, application form also they will take, and check reference, who is the reference, like that they will see, no, and any psychological test if possible they will take in some operations, and employment interviews also they will see, and they will wait for the approval by the supervisor, and physical examination will be done, and later orientation will be there. For example, if you have got a government job, means all this process, first interview, application form, reference, anything, so just like that selection process will be done. This is the easiest question, general question, as we all know. Okay, so this is about the unit number 2. If you're having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best for your examination as well as your preparation. See you all in next video. Bye bye everyone.